Okay, so this how-to video is to show you how to create a document from your Drive. So usually we can create documents in Google Classroom. However, if you need to create it from your Google Drive, I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start you on your Google blank website. Okay. When you are signed in to your school account, you'll have your school account up here. So I can see here's my school account. I'm signed in. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these Google Apps if you don't have it saved. If you click on your Google Apps, you notice you can have your Drive right here. So let's go ahead and open up our Drive. Then from here, to create any sort of document in your Google Drive, you're going to come over to New. And when you click on New, it's going to bring up an option. You can create a Google Doc, so that's like a Word document, a Google Slides, and the other one we might be using a lot in this class is our Google Drawings. And if you notice, I have all of these different types of options over here, okay? So when you come to your Google Drive, once again, you're going to want to press New, and then you're going to want to click on what you want to make. So if I was going to say that you guys were going to work in partners to create a slide, this is what we would do. One of you will come to your Google Drive and open Slides. It's as simple as that. As soon as you name your slides, it is now saved. Okay, you can do the same thing. If I'm going to go back to my Google Drive really quick, I can do the same thing with a Word document. I would come to New. I would scroll down till I see Google Docs. Click on that, and it automatically opens up a Google Doc. Same thing. If I automatically title it in whatever the assignment is, I now have a Google Doc that is in my Drive. So if I go back to my Drive, if you notice, I now have my slide that I created and my Google Docs. So now whatever I created is now in my Google Slides. Okay, so that is how you are going to create a document or create a slide presentation from your Google Drive. This New button will be your friend.